Alright, this is my GitHub site. Okay, you can see that my username is gzon. Alright, I'm going to add a new repository. So this is from assignment 1. Go here, new repository. And I'm going to name it data underscore course underscore all caps my last name. Great. This is going to be public. I'm going to initialize this with a README. I'm going to create the repository. So there it is, my repository. Okay. If I go up here, copy, that's now basically a URL that goes straight to my online version of this. I'm going to open up my terminal. I'm going to say pwd to find out where I am, print the working directory. I'm home gzon. If I look around, I'll see that there's my desktop. I'm going to say cd desktop. Keep in mind we're going to be going through this in class if you're watching this ahead of time, so we'll talk about all these commands. So now I am in my desktop. That's showing me where I am. From the root of my computer to home to gzon desktop. If I look around in here, there's a whole bunch of stuff. Okay. Clear that out. It's getting confusing. Now I'm going to go back to my git clone, and then I'm going to paste in that website address right there. If you're on Linux, you can do Control-Shift-V and that pastes it in. If you're on Windows, I believe it's Shift-Insert. That'll work. But I'm just going to say git clone and then that web address to the GitHub repository I just made. And it says cloning into data course on. Alright. So I'm going to look at this. I'm just going to open up a little browser here. I'm going to look at my desktop. And there it is. Data course is on. And it's got one file in it. readme.md. If I look at that file, it's got nothing in it. It just says data course is on. That makes sense because here's my readme.md file being shown online. And all it has in it is data courses on. Alright, so if you look again at assignment 1, you'll see I've got some commands for you to enter. I'm just going to copy these. Control copy. Okay. I'm going to say cd data course on. I'm going to look around. There's just that one file. I'm going to paste in that command from assignment 1. Echo, this README file contains information about my upload assignments. 2 greater than signs to readme.md. What this command is doing is it's sticking this text, the stuff inside the quotes, into this file and adding it to the end. So I'm just going to run that. Okay. Next up, git add readme.md. Copy, paste, done. Cool. Git commit -m first commit, copy, paste, donezo. One file changed. We have one insertion, one deletion. Then I'm going to say git push, copy, paste, my username. That's my username, my password. Not going to tell you my password. Okay. It says it's writing some objects. Great. When I get my little command prompt blinking again, it means it's done. So I go back here online and just hit refresh. Hey, look at that. I've added something to it. The online version changed to match my local version. And that is what this little series of commands is all about. You add something, you're basically saying, hey Git, I want you to pay attention to this file. I've changed it. Pay attention to it. And then I say, hey, I want you to commit those changes to memory. Save a snapshot of that. And call that little snapshot first commit. Okay. And then you say, Git, I want you to push that to the online version of the repository. So now I've got this. Okay. If I were to go in here, here's my desktop, data course is on, and just delete that whole folder. Oh no, my computer crashed. I lost it all. Well, watch what I can do. Oh. CD, desktop. I look around, data course is on, it's gone. I've deleted it. Git clone, copy the address to it, paste it in there, and look at that, it's back. I've recloned it. And when I open just with a basic like notepad, oh dear. Open with, okay. Data course is on. This README file contains information about my upload assignment. So it's got the new saved version from online. I can just clone it right back onto my computer. Okay.